Hey guys, it's me Hisham. Welcome to HISHAMS ARENA. So, as you can see, the text says the new Scratch is here. That means Scratch 3 is here. So, Scratch 3 has been officially released and the website itself is Scratch 3. To get Scratch 2, you have the offline version. So, today we are going to be creating a ping pong game. I have already created it. Just copy the code which you see. And in the upcoming videos, I will tell you all about the editor. I'll explain you in detail about every single tab of the editor. So for now, let me show you the code and you just copy the code which I have done. And you can have a little bit of searching everything around so that you know where everything is. And to help you out, the code are in colors. So accordingly, you will find that code in the tabs over here. So if it's blue, it's going to be in the motion tab. It's like that. And remember, always in all of these, just one thing. So in all of these, you need to put, you need to click a special block in the motions tab. So for the ball, you need to click this, the set rotation style left right. Go to sprite 1, that is one of our rods. Click sprite 2, click. So you need to do that. And now let me show you the code which you need to copy. So according to the colors, you can find the code in the tabs. So copy all of this code down. So this is the code for the ball. And make backdrops like this. The backdrop needs to look like this. So purple is purple and it is the same color. So you need to drag it from over here and bring it to the code area. Just to get the ball, you need to go to this and click this and you will get a ball. Over here, you click that. You see there is this ball. Click that and automatically there will be a yellow ball over here. Then what you need to do is click on this costumes. And then you need to click the purple ball, that is ball E. And for the backdrop, you can do it on your own colors. And for this, if I have done over here yellow, if you have done yellow also, do the same. But you will be surprised, how do I make the same color? So there is a color picker option. So you go click on this and you click the color which you need to. So this color, and that's it. So now copy down the code for this. So let me explain you while you're copying this. So this means that when the flag is clicked, you need to show up on the stage and forever you need to keep on, you need to keep on moving. And if you are on the edge, you need to bounce. This actually needs to come over here. Point in direction 59. So you're going to be bouncing forever so that the ball bounces forever. But if it hits here, there's a code over here. So I'll tell you. So if you're touching sprite 1 is the rod, the red rod. So if you touch that, turn and about turn, it just goes here, about turn. So it returns back. And if you're touching sprite 2, that is the other green rod. If you're touching that, you then need to um you need to bounce back. And then if you're touching the danger zone, I would call it broadcast game over. And how to do that is click on this and you put new message, and you can type the new message name as game over. And then now let's go on to the sprite 1. So I'll explain this also. Just wait a minute. I'll just make it that you can see it. So now you can see it. So first, as soon as the flag is clicked, you need to show and you need to go to this position. And I need to adjust it a little bit so that it is like the rod, the green rod. The red rod, it is too far away from the yellow. This is too close. So I need to adjust it. Now it's close. And this also needs to be like that. So wait a minute, guys. I'll just arrange this also. So now the sprite 1 for the red rod. So as you need to go to the position, and then you need to, as soon as you get this, you will actually get it as when not W, when space key is pressed. There you need to click the drop down arrow and you need to click on W. And the same for the S. So what here it is like you need to point upwards and you need to move up. Like see there, if I press the up and W and S keys, the red rod moves. That goes and here it comes down. So, and then this is when the backdrop switches to game over backdrop. You need to hide. And this is pretty much same like the sprite ones. And if you do not have enough time, you can pause the video to check out the script. So this is the same as the other one. And now let me move on to the backdrops. So this is the code for the backdrop. This means that as soon as the flag is clicked, go to blue sky 2. That is the name of this background. And game over, that is going to be the game over backdrop. So you click this, you go to costumes, and there's going to be you'll automatically first you'll get a blank backdrop. That time you go to this T text and just type in game over and make it big. And you can make it any color you want. And this, you use this rectangle and you use this fill and outline. Outline you can set it to 0 so that there's no outline. I have no outline. In this, there's no outline. And the fill is going to be yellow in mine. So that's how you do that. Actually, you just click on this, you go search, and you will get this. Just click on that and just add that danger zone yellow borders. So that's all for the game. Let me just show you by playing the game. So full screen and start playing the game. Oh, I just missed it because my hands were not on the keyboard. Okay, now let me show you properly. Ooh, yeah, it bounced. Down. Okay, so thanks for watching this video. Share this video with your friends and relatives. Like and comment. Subscribe to my channel so you get the next video about the Scratch 3 editor. Stay tuned and goodbye. See you next time.